Hi Muton, today on Saturday I'm going to show you how to make a lesser known Japanese curry called dry curry. Let's get started. This is a 1 pan dish, so I'm using a large wok. Start by melting 1 tablespoon of butter over medium-high heat. Once it's melted, add 1 teaspoon of finely diced ginger, 1 tablespoon of diced garlic, and half a cube onion. Stir fry those until they're fragrant, then add 150 grams of ground meat, 4 sliced button mushrooms, half a cube bell pepper, and half a cube carrot. Continue to stir fry those together until the meat is nice and browned. I used a mixture of beef and pork for this recipe, but you can use whichever you prefer. You can also change the vegetables depending on your preference, just make sure to cut them to similar sizes to ensure even cooking. Okay, once it looks like this, add 2 tablespoons of Japanese style curry powder or any curry powder mix and half tablespoon of flour and mix until everything is evenly coated. Now add 1 tablespoon of red wine, 200 milliliters of chicken bouillon, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, half teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 bay leaf. Give it a mix and then we're just gonna leave that to simmer uncovered until the liquid is almost gone and the curry sauce is thick. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to stir from time to time to make sure nothing burns or sticks. Once it looks like this, remove the bay leaf and sprinkle salt and pepper to taste. I just used a pinch of each. Mix it once more and then take it off the heat. Serve it with Japanese rice and chopped green onions for a refreshing touch. I also love serving this dish with a hot spring egg, it adds some creaminess. If you want to know how to make onsen tamago, I posted a how-to video recently, so please check it out. And that's it, easy and delicious Japanese style dry curry. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more about this recipe, check out the written version on my blog, the link is on the screen. You can also find more similar recipe videos in my Easy Japanese Recipe playlist on the screen. Thanks again, and I hope to see you in the next one.